Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to seam offline on WhatsApp. The process is straightforward and effortless. First, make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date, and after it, open your WhatsApp application. After it opens, take a look on the right top. You will see 3 dots. Tap on these dots, and in this pop-up, tap on the last option, Settings. And in Settings, the first option is Account, and the second option is Privacy. From here, tap on this option, Privacy. And on the top you can read, Who can see my personal information? And here's the main thing, last seen and online. Tap on it. Now it's set to everyone. It means everyone can see when I was online on WhatsApp or not. But if I set it to my contacts, then without my contacts, no one can be able to see when I was online or offline. The third option is my contact, except if you turn it on, then here you have to choose that person from which you want to hide your activity of WhatsApp. And if I go back, the last option is nobody. If I select it, then without me, no one can be able to see when I was online or offline. Even my contacts cannot be able to see when I was online or offline. So from here, select which suits you the most. And here, who can see when I am online. Here select the option same as last seen. So it was the fundamental way by which you can seam offline on WhatsApp.